Hey, baking enthusiasts and fellow food fanatics, today we're diving into the world of stand mixers, those glorious machines that free your arms and elevate your baking game. We put the top 4 contenders of 2024 through their paces, so you can pick the perfect one for your kitchen. Let's get mixing. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 QT. Mixer. This iconic KitchenAid is a dream for many bakers. We tested its legendary performance, and it lived up to the hype. The 5-quart bowl is perfect for most home baking needs, and the powerful motor tackled everything from whipping cream to kneading bread dough with ease. The tilt head design makes adding ingredients a breeze, and the wide range of attachments, sold separately, opens a world of possibilities from pasta making to spiralizing. My experience: this mixer is a workhorse. It's sturdy, feels fantastically built, and looks gorgeous on the countertop. While a bit pricey, it's an investment that will last for years. Just a heads up, the tilt head design might not be ideal for super heavy dough loads. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Looking for a powerful and affordable option? The Hamilton Beach is a fantastic choice. This 6-speed mixer surprised us with its ability to handle a variety of tasks. It may not be as fancy as the KitchenAid, but it gets the job done efficiently. The 4.25-quart bowl is great for smaller batches, and the lightweight design makes it easy to store. My experience: this mixer is a champion for budget-conscious bakers. It's simple to use, cleans up easily, and handles most baking tasks admirably. However, if you plan on making huge batches of bread dough regularly, this might not be powerful enough. Number 3. Cuisinart SM50TQ Stand Mixer. Cuisinart brings innovation to the table with the SM50TQ. This 12-speed mixer boasts a powerful motor and a digital timer, making precise baking a breeze. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl is durable and easy to clean. It comes with a good selection of attachments, including a dough hook, whisk, and flat beater. My experience: this mixer is a great all-rounder. The digital timer is a fantastic feature, especially for recipes requiring specific mixing times. It's quiet for a stand mixer and feels very sturdy. Be aware that some users report the attachments can be a bit trickier to clean. Number 4. GE 7-quart Smart Mixer with AutoSense. Calling all tech-savvy bakers, this GE mixer is unlike any other. It features a massive 7-quart bowl, perfect for large batches, and AutoSense technology that automatically adjusts power based on the ingredients. It even connects to your smart speaker for voice control. My experience: this mixer is a conversation starter. The smart features are undeniably cool, and the AutoSense function is a neat innovation. However, it's the priciest on this list, and the sheer size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens.